Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect your AvaTrade account to TradingView. So step number 1 is navigate to the TradingView website and open a chart. Now at the very bottom of the screen, you will see a trading panel button. So click on it to reveal a list of supported brokers. And then once the trading panel is open, a list of brokers will appear. So you just have to locate the AvaTrade logo and click on it. So this will initiate the connection process. So after selecting AvaTrade, a login pop-up window will appear. So just enter your AvaTrade username or email and then password into the respective fields. Then click the connect button. Now, once you have successfully logged in, the login window will close and the trading panel will display your connected AvaTrade account. So you will be able to see your account balance, equity, and other details directly within TradingView, and you are now ready to trade. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!